The sun will come out tomorrow. 2 months later, we got sun on the solar panels. Grow Watt inverter has the battery topped off at 56 volts. Right now, it says charger. This right here is running this battery, and that has the battery topped off at 56 volts. See, the solar just connected right now because it's keeping this battery topped off at 56 volts while it is running that 125 gallon fish tank and that 125 gallon fish tank, and that one has a heater. It is solely the sun with this Grow Watt and battery running. If you can see, to prove it, the Grow Watt is not plugged into the wall. I never run my Grow Watt plugged into the wall, and man, them solar panels are really chugging along today. I love it when the sun is out. Drives me crazy when there's no sun for 2 months.